Hey guys, welcome back to another shape drawing challenge. I'm cartoonist Kevin Coulston, and today we're going to draw 3 characters with this shape. But first, get your pencils ready, hit that subscribe button, and let's have some fun. Okay, to get started, you're going to want to draw the shape you see on your screen 3 times, just like I have it here. If you need to take some time to draw these out, feel free to pause the video and then unpause when you're ready to go. You can draw with anything you want or have near you. I would suggest using a pencil because we are coming up with new ideas. We're sketching, we're creating concepts of characters, and we're probably going to make some mistakes along the way, and it would be nice to be able to erase if we need to. Okay guys, for this first shape here on the left, we're going to turn this into a happy looking guy here. We've got a couple eyes. We're going to make this look like his nose. I'll give him a big mouth with a big smile. Draw some teeth in there. Go ahead and fill that mouth in too. Just shade it in. And a nice big open mouth. He's a happy guy. Maybe he's laughing, telling a joke. And give him an ear over here. And let's do curly hair. Draw on the bottom there, then we'll draw the top. Give him a couple eyebrows. And then let's go ahead and shade in this hair over here too. Just fill it all in just like we did the mouth. And there we go, we got our happy guy. For this next one, we're going to turn it into a butterfly. So we're drawing the body here. A couple eyes, little mouth. Got some antenna on top. I'll do some lines here on the body. Just going to do a pattern on the wings. It just really gives it that butterfly look. At that side, and then we'll do the same pattern over here on the right side as well. There we go, cute little butterfly. This last one, we're going to turn it into a dog. So we got a big eye, he's kind of turning his head, looking behind him. Got his nose, his mouth. Do a couple of ears sticking upright. Give him some cute little legs here. Little tail. And some eyelashes. He's a cute little puppy. And that's it. As always, you guys can go back to the beginning of the video, copy the shapes again, and come up with your own characters. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. I hope you enjoyed today's drawing challenge, and I hope we'll draw together again soon. If you'd like to learn how to draw more silly characters like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and be sure to check out my drawing books on firstartbooks.com.